Hi, I'm Chewy, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a profile and also create a function in the profile so it's easier to start using Powershell with better tools. Okay, a profile is a file that stores and loads useful content or code every time you load Powershell. A function is code that you can call from within PowerShell session so that you can use at any time while you have PowerShell on. Okay, a few things. When you create a profile, that profile stays for that one user that's logged on. So if you have a computer that's used by multiple users, you have to create a profile for each one of those users. So if you're going to use PowerShell as an automation tool, then you're going to have to log in to the server, create a profile under that one account that will be running all your PowerShell commands at specific times. Another thing is that PowerShell and PowerShell ISE, each one has a profile, and that profile does not correlate to the other one. How do you test if you have a profile on the PowerShell session? You do test path $ profile. In this case, I don't have any because I'm going to be showing you how to do one. So let's create one. New item, and then the path profile, and then you have to specify a type. We want to create a file, and then we're going to force. So you should have this path created, and now you may or may not get a confirmation pop-up that says you do have one or you do not have one. So simply go ahead and click yes, create one. But in this case, because we specified force, it is going to create it anyway and overwrite the one that you had before. Okay, so now that we have it, we can run the same command again, test profile path, and this time it's going to be true. How do we open it? Simply, let's open it with Notepad, and then $ profile. This will open the profile, and as you can see, it is empty. So let's create a function. I'm going to call it Z, and I'm going to clear host, and that's all my profile is going to do. So when I type in Z, it's going to run this command. Okay, so let's go ahead and save it and close it, and you have to close PowerShell and reopen it. So I'm going to do that now. Reopen PowerShell, and now we can see that we can type in commands. When we type the letter C, it's going to clear the screen for us. So you notice how useful a profile can be with typing in functions. And so there's all kinds of scripts and functions that we will be developing as we go along. But for now, that's all. Please write your comments, leave us feedback, and tell us how we did. We're going to be continuing to creating these videos, and hopefully they can help someone else. Thank you.